So everyone's buzzing about AI, right? You see it writing poems, creating these insane viral images. It's all very exciting. But while that's happening, your competitors are quietly using AI for something, well, something way more boring. And believe it or not, way more profitable. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the unsexy but incredibly powerful truth about AI that they'd probably rather you didn't know.
Welcome to Operators Lab HQ.
We're operators with over 20 years of combined experience inside real businesses.
This channel shows how AI and modern workflows actually get used at work.
No hype, just what works.
Today, we're going to dive into a super practical way to use AI in your business. And look, we're not talking about some far-off futuristic concept here. We're talking about building really simple, automated processes that can have a huge impact on your bottom line, both by cutting those hidden expenses and by holding on to your most valuable clients. So let's get right into it. Just think about this for a second. What if you had an employee who never slept, never made a mistake, and spent all day, every single day, digging through your finances and customer lists, looking for money you're losing or opportunities you're missing? Well, that's the core idea we're going to explore. So let's totally reframe how we think about AI. For just a minute, forget all the complex, creative stuff. Honestly, its greatest, most immediate strength is doing boring, repetitive analysis with perfect accuracy and at an incredible speed. We're going to treat it as our very own tireless forensic accountant. All right. Our first recipe is a defensive move. It's all about finding and plugging those profit leaks that slowly, quietly drain cash from a business, often completely unnoticed. We are going on a hunt for wasted spend. And what's so brilliant is just how simple this is to get started. I mean, it's a two-step process that anyone can do. First, you just export your last year of expenses. This is a totally standard feature in any accounting software. Second, you upload that file into a secure AI tool. That's it. Seriously, that is the entire setup. Now, the magic is all in the command you give the AI. This isn't some vague request. You're telling it specifically, perform a professional-level financial audit. You instruct it to hunt for recurring subscriptions, especially any duplicates, any vendors that have sneakily increased their prices, and any other potential billing weirdness. This prompt turns a general tool into a specialist in literally seconds. So where was all that money hiding? Well, the AI found 17 active software licenses for employees who had left the company years ago. This is such a common problem, right? These little zombie subscriptions just quietly renewing year after year. As the firm put it, it was just pure waste, gone. Okay, so we've plugged the leaks. Now let's switch to an offensive strategy. We're going to use our AI accountant to find hidden revenue by identifying our best clients, the ones who might be about to leave. And again, just look at how simple the data is. You don't need some massive, complicated database for this. You just need 3 columns from your customer list: their name, the date of their last purchase, and their total lifetime value. Almost every single business has this information just sitting there in their CRM or sales records. And here it is, the second magic command. You ask the AI to find the customers with a high total purchase value that's combined with a really distant last purchase date. It's looking for that critical intersection, your most valuable clients who have gone quiet. These are the people you absolutely have to re-engage before a competitor does. So what's the crucial difference here? Well, on one hand, you have the old spray and pray method. Blasting out generic emails to your entire list and just hoping something sticks. On the other hand, you have a laser-focused hit list of the exact clients who need a personal phone call or a special offer, and it's generated in minutes. Okay, running these audits once is a great party trick. It's impressive. But the real power, the real game changer, is turning it into an automated system that works for you 24/7. And this is basically how it works. You use a simple automation tool, think something like Zapier or Make, to connect your source data, like your finance app, to your AI assistant. The AI runs the analysis automatically, and then it sends you the outcome, an actionable alert. You set it up once, and it just runs forever in the background. So what does that actually look like in practice? Well, it means every single time a new invoice comes in, it's automatically checked for discrepancies before you even pay it. It means that every Monday morning, a prioritized list of at-risk clients just shows up in your inbox like clockwork, ready for you to take action. It's no longer something you have to remember to do, it just happens. So that brings us to the final thought here. We've seen how AI can be a tireless accountant, all by applying one simple principle. flawless, high-speed analysis of repetitive tasks. So the real question to take away from all this is for you. What repetitive, data-driven task in your business is just waiting for its own AI assistant?
Pick one industry. Start this workflow now.
For more advanced workflows and strategic guides, follow our channel.